new pairs of gloves, and I'm layered like that lady said, like an onion. So you just got to do your best because it is chilly. I'll send it back inside.
Jess, thanks so much for this. Let's go to CTV's Janice on foot commuting. Janice, have you seen short sky out there today where you've been?
No, I have not seen short sky, Beatrice, and I think that I would probably say we're here at Favorite Nicholas, and as you mentioned, and I can tell you that the snow has really died down. About a half hour ago, you could really see it stopping, which means that visibility has improved.
Tailing. We've also seen people who have
Hey, que galeno, mano.
the snowplows have managed to come through.